We're fighting floopers, grabbing graphorns, and nabbing nifflers. That's right, it's Fantastic Beasts Perilous Pursuit from USA Happily. But you knew that. This creature capture and co-op pits 2 to 4 players against the escaped magical beasts from Newt Scamander's suitcase. Players roll and place dice on their boards to capture 5 escaped beasts and win the game. However, if 2 beasts escape, or if any one player's health is reduced to 0, the team loses. You don't want that, it hurts. Setup begins with each player selecting a character and taking the matching player board, ready tokens, set tokens, shields, and a health slider, which starts at 10. Shuffle the inside cards, deal 1 to each player, and place the remaining cards in a draw pile on the table. Next, separate the beast cards by their difficulty level, shown on the back, and randomly choose 5 beasts to create a face-up pile in the center of the table, placed in the following order: 3 level 3 beasts, 1 level 2, and 1 level 1 on top. Advanced players can adjust the difficulty by adding more level 3 beasts to the bottom of the stack. The beasts each have a capture track on the right side of their card. As players work to corner that beast, they will progress the beast marker from the starting space toward the suitcase, an eventual capture. However, the beast will try and move the token backward in the track in an attempt to escape. Gameplay occurs in turns divided into 4 phases: roll dice, assign dice, activate dice, and beast reaction. It's me first thing in the morning. First up in the roll dice phase, don't put me. First up in the roll dice phase, the active player rolls the 6 dice up to 3 times. Similar to good old Yahtzee rules, the active player may set aside any number of dice and re-roll the others. After the 3rd roll, all dice are locked. The player must now assign dice to their player board. The player board contains 5 action columns and a shield track. The actions include Protect. Add a shield token to the board, which prevents damage from beasts. Capture 1. Progress the beast marker 1 space toward the suitcase. Distract. Removes a die from the beast's upcoming reaction roll. Insight. Draw an insight card up to a hand limit of 3. Insight cards can be played on any player's turn to help with the rolls. The insight cards include bonus dice, reroll options, and even ways to avoid beast reactions. Capture 3 moves the beast marker 3 spaces on the capture track. The corresponding dice can be assigned to these columns along with any wild symbols rolled. Additionally, the teal die has a beast reaction symbol, which means the beast immediately snaps at the players, triggering their reaction effect, located under their name. In order to take the actions listed in the column, a player must first ready the ability by assigning the requisite dice in 1 turn. They then place the ready token on the ready space. Then another single die is required to set the ability, which also receives a token. Any corresponding single die can now be assigned to activate that ability. Additionally, if another player has the same ability already set on their board, the active player may assign a die to that player's column as well. This can provide your allies with needed assistance like more shields or cards. Once all dice have been assigned, the activate dice phase occurs, and abilities take effect in order of the player's choosing. Players will ready and set their abilities and attempt to capture the beast or gain cards and shields. The exception is the distract action, which takes effect in the beast reaction phase. At the end of each player's turn, they roll once for the beast according to the number of dice under its name. The resulting roll allows the beast to attempt escape, attack the active player, or trigger their beast reaction ability. Once the beast marker hits the suitcase, the beast is captured. Skip the beast reaction phase this turn and gain the reward listed under the suitcase. All players then remove their set tokens and each roll a single black die to determine if a corresponding ready token is removed. If a wild is rolled, they instead get to add their set token back. Flip the beast card over into a captured beast pile and face off against the next beast. If a beast escapes by retreating to the start of their track, the card is discarded and one of the extra beast cards set aside from the beginning of the game is added to the bottom of the stack. Players remove all their set tokens and each player rolls a teal die and removes the matching ready token. If they roll the beast reaction symbol, they must remove 3 ready tokens. Whew, yeah, it's pretty intense when you let a beast escape. If players can keep everyone above 0 health and capture 5 beasts before 2 of them escape, they win the game. And that's Fantastic Beasts. I'm Becca Scott, and if you cross me, you'll end up in a suitcase. You can watch me and my friends play this game and other awesome games on Game the Game right here on Geek and Sundry. We'll see you there.